This is the 1-bedroom trailer that we have, doing a quick video of it. Nothing spectacular, just your normal stuff. Getting documentation. Okay, bathroom. And the back bedroom. Okay. And looking back into the living room. The walls are all good. Carpet looks pretty good. The drawers are good. The stove is old, but it works. Cupboards are all good. And the refrigerator. You can't hardly see in there. Okay, that's about it.